It was very, 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 very faint line, and I thought my eyes are playing tricks on me because I really, really want this baby. I feel like this is kind of brave of me to even be saying this right now to the camera, but I haven't really gotten to say it to anybody else. So, little baby, you are loved and so prayed for. And you've already healed our hearts in so many ways. We love you, and we hope that these lines keep getting darker and darker and darker. And we know that we'll get to meet you. Lots of emotions right now.
What's your guess?
I feel girl, but obviously our track record is like
Blue.
1, 2.
I'm very shocked. Very shocked.
Curly-headed me. I don't even know. I don't even know. Oh my gosh!
Delicious.
Oh my gosh!
What? I love
What?
a baby sister. Yeah!
What's your shirt say?
Don't know. I can't see it. But
Biggest brother. What does Baker say?
I'm a big brother.
Got about 12 days to go before baby sister's here.
We can't wait to see you, Hattie. We can't to see you, Hattie.
What are you bringing to her at the hospital?
Who built up Aunt Bowie?
Bowie.
See you, Hattie. See you soon.
I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Let's do this. I said, let's do this one more time.
One more time. We're so excited to meet you. It's been a long time coming. I'm kind of in shock a little bit
We have
because
been.
I've kind of not thought about it until just now.
It's August 10th, about 4:45. So here we are. Mommy's already in the room. Glamorous as always. Hooked up to the IV machine.
I'm so excited.
I'm very excited. Go, Dad. Let's go.
I haven't kept track.
Got some nice ambiance here.
I'm good.
Love you, Mommy.
I love you.
There's Emily. She's the best.
We're excited.
Making her way right along.
Making my way downtown.
Waiting on you, baby girl. See you soon.
Yeah, tell us, Hattie.
You were ready to make your appearance, and you came very quickly.
Say hi.
Hi, baby doll. Hattie Renee Gibson.
So it was 8'4", 21 inches.
Hattie, I have to show you something that I made. The book about Hawkeye.
Oh.
Wow. Hi, Grandma.
Poor Hattie. She wants to come and stay with Grandma.
Taking a little nap. Been a big day. First daddy-daughter dance. Bless you.
Can't wait for your brothers to meet you. They're going to love you.
Baby Hattie! Is she sticking
She's sticking. What does that
to your belly?
No, she's not attached anymore. She's
Not in Mommy's belly anymore.
She's not attached. I'm a big brother.
That's so nice. You giving her a kiss?
Does he have any arms?
Yeah.
She's got arms, baby.
We're so glad you're here, Hattie.
What about you, Baker? What do you want to say to her?
Hi. She's beautiful.
It's so nice.
I love those flowers.
Hi, Grandma.
Cousin Aunt Abby.
Dad's first poop diaper done in the book.
Just change your first diaper.
Give us a wave, Andrea.
See hands. Sister's home.
What is that?
Little the bubbly.
No, I come with this. Our Tennyson and Spider our way. The easy spider with the other spider again.
A bush and then a back and a hug around the neck. A hug around the neck. A hug around the neck. I love you. A bushel and a peck. A bushel and a peck.